Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Well, how about I paint the picture for you?
Imagine going shopping for a new outfit and going through racks and racks and racks of clothing, only to find that nothing is made for you. The pants are too short, the sleeves are too short, and let's not even talk about bodysuits and shoes. And it's no better online, trust me.
Many retailers claim to be size inclusive or even tall girl friendly. But if you ask any tall woman if that's true, you will hear a resounding no. And that is not an exaggeration. And how do I know this? Well, I am also a tall woman. Standing at 6 feet tall, starting Prissy Duck was a call to action from personal experience. I know firsthand how scarce clothing options are for fashionable tall women.
Size inclusive usually stops at plus size. And tall girl friendly still leaves many tall women with their ankles showing. Prissy Duck fixes this in a snap. We offer many fashion-forward items, including pants, jumpsuits, maxi dresses, swimwear, and much more that are tailored specifically for tall women.
In short, Prissy Duck is a game changer. Our clothing and shoes help tall women look and feel their best. But don't just take my word for it. The comments and reviews speak for themselves. Many tall women around the world have purchased and worn Prissy Duck, and they've also expressed their love for our brand. It is such a great feeling to get an outfit that actually fits, and when you put it on, you have that confidence to go attack the day. That is what Prissy Duck is about, and that is what we achieve to do as long as tall women exist.